Family, greetings and welcome to the channel. It's your brother Prince Ayoko sending my greetings to you from Tamale, northern Ghana. How are you doing? How is everybody doing in the family? And how is your day going? In today's video, it's gonna be a continuation of the previous video that I did about how we get, where we get our animals feed. And this particular video is gonna be about how we use corn to make corn flour. It's gonna be about how we use we grind corn into corn flour. But the most amazing and the most surprising is that even me, who has been in Tamale, northern Ghana, from day one up to date, I have never seen a woman using the grinding mill machine to grind corn flour. So this has come as a very big surprise to me, and I said I'm not gonna keep this surprise, I'm gonna share it with you. So I'm going to meet Mabrwa, that is her name. Her name is Abrwa, but for the fact that she's older woman, we call her Ma Abrwa. Mabrwa in Dagbani means Mama Abrwa. So let me take you to the grinding mill and you see what Mama Abrwa is doing. It's gonna be a short video though. Mabrwa, you are busy. Surprise you have come. I'm telling Mabrwa that she has surprised me so much today. Wow. The gender equality is working here, because most people who are doing this are men. And even this particular grinding mill, whenever I come here, he has a worker who uses it. The worker is a man. But for me to come and see Mabrwa, busily doing this, that is a very big surprise. Mabrwa, buy me a nose mask. Nose mask. I'm advising them to use nose mask. Anything actually. I'm gonna donate some nose masks to them. The next time I'll be coming here to buy my animal feed. You remember this old lady in the video? He was the one who were processing the corn chaff. She was the one who was processing the corn chaff. Wow. African women are something different. African women are different. Very, very, very different. What? And she's the owner of the business. She is the owner of this business. She makes this corn flour and she takes it to Accra and Kumasi for sale. Mabrwa, Accra ka kwa hadla mabo. Accra. Oh wow. Accra ya. Ashama mo. Okay, he says he sells this corn flour at Accra and Ashama. And he says some people even buy it. Some people who are in Europe and America who lives in Ghana buy this corn flour from her. And see, all these ones has been packaged. All these corn flours has been packaged and ready to be sent to Accra, Kumasi, Ashama, and throughout Ghana for sale. To go and sell it there. You see? Wow, this is amazing. This is serious. Do you remember I said when they are going to grind the mill, the corn, they first of all soak it. So you see how they soak it. This is how they soak it before the before they start to grind it into powder. This is the final product that comes out from the corn. So I've just come to buy a bag of it to go and feed my animals. So this is what is left as the final product, and that one is being used to feed animals. So family, on behalf of Mabroa and her workers, I say a very big thank you for watching. Till we meet again next time, stay blessed and have a wonderful day. Peace.